Okay, I haven't heard anybody else say this, so I have to say it. You're not broke because your UGC content is bad. You're broke because you're selling the wrong thing entirely. I've been in marketing for over 25 years, and right now I run a creative agency, and I talk to real business clients every single week. And the mistake I see beginners make over and over again has nothing to do with your lighting or your camera or your portfolio. It's a strategy problem, and it's costing people real money. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why some UGC creators get hired on repeat, that's a retainer, while others are still waiting to get a response that will never come. Okay, so let me paint this picture. You've done all the work, you've watched the videos, you've built the portfolio, maybe you did some gifted collabs, you're sending pitches, applying for platforms, you're putting yourself out there, and nothing really is sticking, or something is happening but it feels slow and random, and you can't figure out why. You look at other creators and they're getting consistent deals, and you're thinking, my content is just as good, right? Well, here's what you need to hear right now. Your content might be perfectly fine. Your pitch is probably the problem. And I don't mean the words in your email. I mean the entire way that you're thinking about what you're offering. So let me share something with you. When I started pitching agency clients, I did the exact same thing. I led every conversation with what I could deliver. Here's what I could do. Here's my work. Here's my experience. And a lot of it got ignored. The day I stopped leading with my deliverables and started leading with the client's actual problem, everything changed. My reply rate changed, my close rate changed, the quality of clients I was attracting changed. And that's not a small lesson, and it applies directly to how you pitch UGC. So most UGC beginners are selling a deliverable. They pitch something like this, and I know because I did it. Hi, I'm a UGC creator. I make authentic video content. Here's my portfolio. That sounds professional. It sounds reasonable. But here's what the brand on the other side is actually thinking. They're not thinking about your content. They're thinking about their problem. They need more people to stop scrolling past their product. They need someone who their viewers can actually trust. They need content that turns casual browsers into buyers. That's the job. The video is just how the job gets done. Think of it this way. When your sink backs up, you don't call a plumber because you just want to watch somebody snake a drain. You call because you want your sink clear and working again. The tool is just how they fix the actual problem. So UGC is the same thing. When you pitch a brand, stop talking about the video. Start talking about the problem the video is going to fix for them. The video is the drain snake. The result the brand needs is the working sink. Most creators are pitching the drain snake. The creators getting consistent paid deals on retain are pitching the working sink. So let me show you the before and after so this is crystal clear. So before the shift, I am a UGC creator with experience in beauty and wellness. I would love to collaborate with your brand. Here's my portfolio. It's perfectly fine email, but completely forgettable. So here's your after shift. I notice your product content is heavy on features. It's not showing the lifestyle around it. That's usually where brands lose people mid-scroll. I have a concept for this that I think would land differently. Now, one of those emails, a creator is looking for an opportunity. The other one, someone is actually doing their homework and they identified a gap. Now, which one gets a reply? Now listen in, because this is what I need you to hear. You don't need years of experience to send that second email or know what to say. You just need to spend 10 minutes of looking at how their brand is currently positioning themselves before you reach out to them. Look and find out what's missing from their content. What question does their current stuff answer? And what's in the comments? What are people having problems with? That gap is your pitch. It's not your reel. Now I want you to go one layer deeper, because this is the reason that this mistake is so common. Most UGC creator advice out there is teaching you how to be a better content creator, how to be better on camera, how to have better hooks, better editing, cleaner B-roll. Good content without understanding the actual goal is like cooking an amazing meal and leaving it in a locked up room. You did all the work, but nobody gets to taste it. So in UGC terms, that means that you can make a beautiful video and still miss the mark completely because you never ask what success actually looks like for the brand. So the creator making consistent money from UGC is not always the most talented on camera, but they're the ones that make the brands feel understood. But don't let that scare you off, because that skill is completely learnable. And it starts with the moment that you stop thinking about what you can offer and start thinking about what the brand actually needs solved. So I have 3 moves for you. So here's what you can start doing today. Move 1, research before you pitch. So take 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Look at the brand's current content before you write a single word of outreach, or before you start creating content on your personal page that you want to attract the brands. Start looking and say, what's the gap for my ideal brand's ICP? And that's their audience. What is it that they need to hear? And then write that down. Lead with their problem, not your portfolio. Your portfolio is your proof. It's not your pitch. The pitch is about them. The portfolio comes after they're already interested. And then move 3. Before you deliver anything, ask the brand, what does success look like? Now, this is the one that nobody is talking about, and I'm sharing this secret with you because when you land a deal, ask, what does a win look like for this piece of content? Is it stopping the scroll? Is it getting clicks? Is it building trust for a higher price point? So when you know the actual job, then you can do the actual job. Because repeat clients aren't built on good content alone. They are built on brands feeling like you actually understand what they needed. Now that's what gets you hired again, and it gets you those high retainers that we all want. So if something clicked here for you in this video, I want you to join The Grow. It's my free weekly newsletter, and every single issue gives you one real strategy, one AI prompt that you can actually use right now, and one move that you can make this week to build your creator income. Before you think, it's not overwhelming. It's just going to be one move per week, just 1% better a day. The link is in the description, and it's completely free, and it takes 30 seconds to sign up, and the next issue drops this week, so you won't have to wait. And if you want to understand how to build a full income stack on top of your skills using AI and simple digital products, watch this next. Leave it in the comments and let me know if this was helpful. And you already know, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.